Hi everyone! Today, using some fabric, pins, scissors, elastic, a pattern piece, and a sewing machine, we're going to be making a skirt for an 18-inch doll. For the fabric, I would recommend either a cotton or flannel or something that's a little sturdier and doesn't stretch too much. I'm going to be using a flannel today. When it comes time to cut out your pattern piece, you're going to want to cut out 2 pieces of it. But the way that you're going to do this is you're going to be cutting 2 out on the fold. So you're going to be taking your pattern piece and wherever your fabric is folded so that you have 2, so a back and a front, you're going to lay the pattern piece along the fold and then you're going to be cutting around here, but do not cut this part. So that way you would then open it and you would have 1 full piece, and you're going to repeat this 2 times. For your elastic, you're going to want to use about a 3/8 inch elastic. You could also use something a little smaller if you had a 1/4 inch, but I'm going to be using 3/8. You're going to want to cut a piece that's around 10 inches long. If you want to double check to make sure it'll fit around your doll's waist, you can definitely do that as well. Again, this pattern is going to be for an 18-inch doll. Once you have your fabric cut out and your elastic cut, we'll get started. Okay, so I have 2 pieces of my skirt all cut out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a hem on the skirt. So this is going to allow us to have a clean line at the bottom so that we can't see any of the raw edges. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the skirt facing with the wrong side up. So this is my right side. And I'm going to fold it up maybe around a 1/4 inch or so. And then I'm going to pin it. I'm going to do this for both pieces. Now that both pieces of my skirt have been pinned up, I can go ahead and take a seam right across the top. So now I have the hem all complete in my skirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the right sides of the skirt together. So I'll have my 1 piece flat. Then I'm going to put the other piece on top of it. And I'm going to match up the sides and then pin along the sides of it so that we'll be able to sew the 2 pieces of the skirt together. Now I'm going to take a seam on both sides so that my skirt can be sewn up. Now that my skirt is all sewn up, it's time to trim the raw edges and get rid of some of these strings. Before I begin on the last step of adding the elastic, I'm going to go ahead and iron out my skirt so that I can press the seams open. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my skirt so that the right side comes over the wrong side. And I'm going to do this for about a little over 1/2 inch, and I'm going to pin it. And this is actually going to be the tube that our elastic is going to go in. So this is the pocket for it. When I do this, I'm going to leave a little gap, so maybe around like 1 inch or so. And that's where we're going to be putting the elastic in. So you want to be sure there's an opening that we're not going to be sewing through. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just sew right across at the bottom. Now we are working with a circular piece of fabric or something that is connected all the way around. What that means is it could be easier for your fabric to bunch up and for you to accidentally sew through more pieces of fabric than what you intended. So the way that I do that is I just make sure that I only have the 1 piece of fabric I'm working with, and then I have my second piece of fabric. I can feel it, and I push it kind of far away so that when I'm working my fabric through the sewing machine, I can feel where that other piece of fabric is of my circle, and I'm being sure it's not getting caught underneath my needle. So now my seam is complete and I can add the elastic to my skirt. So I'm going to take my elastic. Now again, the measurement I did for mine was 10.5 inches. If you would like to measure your own doll though, to be sure that it would fit, you can obviously do that if you want to make it a little bigger or smaller. I put a safety pin on the end of my elastic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the safety pin to thread it through this loop. Now that my elastic is all the way through, I'm just going to pull the safety pin out. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin the elastic, pin both ends of it, And now I'm going to take a seam across the elastic right here so that it stays together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim up the extra thread, and then I'm going to pull my elastic all the way through the skirt so that it will be complete. So the one step that we have left is to sew up the seam that was originally where we pushed the elastic through. So to remind myself, I'm just going to put a pin right where I need to sew up. I'm going to take a seam right across here, and then our skirt would be complete. So now I'm just going to trim up all the extra thread, and then I'll flip my skirt inside out and it will be all done. So now my skirt is all complete. It was really easy to make. We have a nice elastic waistband at the top, and then we have a nice hem at the bottom. So you could see this was really quick, so you could make lots of different skirts. If you wanted to get fancy, you could add some ribbon maybe along the bottom. You could also add some sequins throughout, depending on what you wanted to do to accessorize it. So this video is part of our new sewing doll clothes mini series. So we're gonna have a few videos just like this where you'll be able to learn to sew either a skirt, a top, a dress, or accessories. So this is the first installment of that mini series. If you enjoy that and you would like to see more, please be sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. All of our patterns are free and are easily available to download, so be sure to check out our blog to get those. And thanks for your support.